Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Lighting Void Pod. It's been some couple of days now that I've uploaded video concerning what is going on in the market because I'm trying to do some research on some protocol also to bring to you guys. Anyway, today we are talking about Bitcoin, talk about the news across the crypto space, where the market is heading to, what is causing this crash again, why Bitcoin go to 32k and now coming back to 29,000, and a lot of exciting things that is happening in the crypto space. We talk about it and about JP Morgan, the Jeremy Dimon, the owner of JP Morgan, what is think about inflation and what is still going to happen more. And let's first of all start about Bitcoin chart, where we see Bitcoin rejected 32,000 here as of yesterday, 32,370, and it's coming back down again to 29,000, which is somehow crazy because many people have been exciting that Bitcoin is heading back up, and we all see how the rally went yesterday. But unfortunately, maybe because of JP Morgan, the news that came out yesterday concerning the economy and inflation in the all over the world, and even gas price getting increasing and increasing. Even in UAE here, you can see the price of crude oil that's never happened before at the rate of 4 dirham, above 4 dirham, and which has been a chaos to everyone. And even all over the world, also even in US, petrol has been raising up drastically and it's causing a lot of damage to the market. And even this guy was talking about how the economy, that's an economic hurricane caused by the federal and Ukraine war, which is all know, everybody knows that Ukraine war has have a huge impact concerning markets, especially on stock and crypto space also. And this guy was talking about how the solution can come out, and he's talking to the all the investor also concerning his own opinion that all the investor in JP Morgan, which is the largest bank across the world, that is all the investor also to prepare for more inflation, that most price commodity going up, and this is one of the things that is making many people to be panic, and many people are trying to save their money. Even retailer, especially the retailer, nobody wants to lose more money also. And we can see even exchange checkout yesterday, over 590 million dollar was liquidated as at yesterday, and it's crazy anyway because of future trading. And we are going to talk about Solana also, why Solana breakdown, because a lot of narrative has been happening Solana network, but unfortunately by this morning it has been back up to its normal working stage. But unfortunately, what I'm just saying about Solana, because what Solana really happened last year also, we have a breakdown of Solana last year also, like twice, which is somehow crazy also, that affect the price of Solana to be down. And we can see where Solana price is now, because if these people doesn't find solution to what is happening to their system, I don't think people is going to have more confidence in them anymore, because I see Solana as a good protocol, a layer 1 protocol that is very fast and has a lot of potential, and it formed a lot of VC that was involved in Solana because of the ecosystem. But anyway, we have a lot of huge correction in the market anyway, because we all know that if BTC drop 0.3%, all these altcoins can go 20%, 30%, and upward. And let's check about Binance. the most of the exciting things that Binance is bringing into the system. Binance also bring out $500 million for crypto fund so that it can develop a Web3 and especially in the crypto space, despite the crash that is happening in the market. And Binance Lab, the venture capital aim of the world's biggest crypto exchange, launches a 500 million funds to invest in a digital assets project. The latest capital injection into an industry that is relying from plugin prices and the collapse of the Terra USD stablecoin. The announcement followed by Andreessen Horowitz 4.5 billion raises for a crypto fund last week, industry largest to date, bringing the Silicon Valley investment firm total digital asset focused effort to 7.6 billion. The recent growth in the cryptocurrency market has been no deterrent for most venture capitalists who still see promises in the boom and bust industry. The best founder will still come into the space and build the most meaningful project, said Ken Lee, an executive director at Binance Lab. Crypto investing shows signs of life with Starway Barbie deal. The new fund is backed by the institutional investor. And what these guys are talking about is bringing this money into the crypto space to attract more investors and to attract more builder to come into crypto space, especially on Web3. And we all know that one of the tokens that is very reliable on Web3 are Sandbox and Stepping. And these are one of the biggest in the crypto space in terms of Web3, and is investing also money on them. And you can see how a lot of things have been happening concerning Terra also, and where we see a launch of new Terra like 3 days ago, where a lot of speculation has been happening that more attack is still coming to Terra. People that did that the last time still have more things to do to attack Terra ecosystem, which let's see how it goes, because I was telling someone that even Terra system and the price of the token also, you won't be surprised if you see the price going up more and more and more. Nobody knows, because this Terra 2.0 is not backed by any algorithm stable coin, which I think is a very good thing to me for their ecosystem to go up. And the advice I'm going to give people is, I'm not a financial advice. You do your own research in anything that you want to invest on, and don't invest what you cannot avoid to lose in crypto space. Although at times there's a risk in reward, at times, and this life is all uncertainty. Nobody knows, because all these big people across the globe, they want the less privileged to make money or to be rich also like them, because they want to be continue controlling the world. And it's depend on the narrative of everyone, how you think from the outside the box, how you want to make your own life to be, and you make a decision by yourself. That is why I always said, I'm not a financial advice. Do your own research. My own is to bring news to you across the globe. What is the narrative of the market, where the market can go, and what can happen next. That is in my own opinion. With the study that I've been seeing across the globe, and concerning the crypto space for the 2 years, mistake that I have made, which I don't want many people to make the same mistake also. That is the only thing that I have for you guys. And the next thing that I'm just going to talk about is Solana a good buy at 30? Because even me, I still want to stock back of Solana, because the way I'm still seeing the market now, and I see that my own buying position for Solana is $30, because that was the place that I bought it the last time, as of last year, that I sell up at the rate of $240. That's what I did, and that is how it's supposed to be at times. And concerning, because all these altcoins at times anything can happen, and you can see what is going on, which Bitcoin is the major thing for me, which I normally tell people that even if you have $1,000 that you want to bring into the crypto space, the best thing for you is you put $500 on Bitcoin, and for the remaining $500 you put $200 on Ethereum, and the $300 you split it on maybe 3 altcoins. But to me, many people want to make money fast in the crypto space. But in this crash of crypto space, what is going on now in this bear market that we are now, this is the best way for you to accumulate some token, some good token, which I think is that is going to do more. We have a lot of good L1 there, a lot of Diva protocol there that you can put your $1,000, split it on them, because you can't go in with one because it's very risky. But I advise a risk management that you split it around, maybe you put it to $200 on 5 protocol, which I think they are there. One of them is Solana, one of them is Phantom, one of them is Avalanche, one of them is Cardano, which a lot of things is happening on Cardano, which I'm still going to make a video concerning it. And we have a lot of good protocol out there that I think they have a good narrative that you guys can invest your money on and do your own research concerning it. Even there's a token that was launched yesterday, that Optimism. They are doing their airdrop, but you need to be eligible for the airdrop. Anyway, I'm not eligible for the airdrop anyway, even so many people also. But I just think that all these tokens are a good potential token that I think you just need to do your own research more on them, know the team behind it, and know the narrative concerning this token. You can't just invest your money on the things that you don't know more. And that is how crypto space works. You just need to do your own research concerning the crypto space and know concerning a particular project. I know what you want to invest your money on. And because if you say $1,000 is a huge money, to me $1,000 is a huge money, because that $1,000 can change the life of a family. If you give it to your family, it can change their life forever. That is how it works. That is the reason why you need to manage your money and be safe concerning your money. Although not crypto is volatile, everybody know that crypto is volatile, and stock also. That's how everything works. And you can see that even a lot of adoption are becoming on Bitcoin, especially a lot of restaurants that are accepting Bitcoin now. This was happening yesterday. A Mexican restaurant which accept Bitcoin for payment, that people can make Bitcoin as a payment for food, which is something that I see that is a good thing in the community. Even in UAE over here, city center, Binance has been doing so wonderfully well that you can take things, you can use crypto to buy things in the mall now. You can take things to buy, you can use crypto to buy watches, cars. You can use crypto in UAE, especially in Dubai. That is, you can see that the adoption of what is happening in the crypto space, and so that you won't be led behind. All these rich people are trying to wipe off the retailer, are trying to wipe off people that they think, they see that everyone has seen Bitcoin as a financial freedom for their life. And many people, Bitcoin has changed the life of many young guys out there. Crypto space have changed the life of many young guys out there. That is how it works. You just know that the way you can make money, the way you can lose it all. But I always tell people that if you want to go into future trading, be very, very careful, because future trading to me is like a gambling. That is what I can say concerning it. But you need to be very, very careful concerning it, and you just need to do your own risk management. Don't trade what you cannot lose on your portfolio. If you have a $1,000 on your portfolio, if you want to trade future, you put $10. That's what I can tell you, or $20 to trade it. And guys, next time, I'll see you next time, so that see you guys. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel.